Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Never underestimate the power of chance. Even with the best preparation, a falling tree is a force to be reckoned with. Respecting its unpredictable nature is key to both safety and success. Safety comes first. Please be careful. Luckily, he wasn't hurt. Trees are like unruly children. They don't always listen, so always be cautious. Ever wondered what the view is like for a crane operator up high? Check this video out to see. Removing a decaying tree may seem drastic, but it actually jumpstarts ecological succession. This fallen giant creates an opportunity for new life to emerge. Whoa, these cedar trees are absolute giants, but today they've met their match. This guy is a total pro. His skills are unreal. Watch how he fells these giants with pinpoint accuracy. It's like watching a surgeon at work, only way more badass. Wait till you hear the crash when these monsters hit the ground. The undisputed king of the West Coast. His dominance isn't just about brute strength though. His power is undeniable, but it's the complete package: physique, skill, and pure determination. The situation is giving me major dumb ways to die déjà vu. The Euro for Canter truck was forced off the road and overturned into the water. Not a pleasant experience at all, but thankfully no one was injured. Now this guy found himself in a real pickle. Chainsaw stuck at the very top of the tree. Talk about a bad day. Oh no. But get this. He actually used the tree itself to help him out. He pushed it over just enough to free the saw. What a close call. Definitely not something you see every day. Remember safety first. Tree felling is inherently dangerous. Before you even start, visualize your escape route. It could save your life. Well, someone forgot to yell timber. Luckily, he wasn't hurt. For a second there, I thought that truck was going to flip, but no, everything was under control. Now that's masterful truck driving. A classic case of, if you don't know what you're doing, leave it to the professionals. This is why you pay for a professional. Luckily, he's okay. Always look up even after the tree is down. And don't forget your hard hat. Imagine a giraffe on roller skates, balancing a stack of teacups in a hurricane. That's kind of what these drivers are up against. Yeah, it's that wild. Cutting down a tree is no joke. Always observe, analyze, and assess the situation. One moment of carelessness can cost you. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you find the video interesting, give it a like and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next video on my channel. My goodness, watching that colossal root yield to the cable's pull is like witnessing a primeval struggle between titans, a true testament to the sheer strength of modern machinery, a battle against the unyielding forces of nature. Take a look at this Foley bell saw. A Model 14, this beast was a game changer back in the day. With its 48-inch blade, it could handle anything thrown its way. Built to last, and it did. This saw tells a story of hard work, dedication, and the American spirit. A reminder that we can build incredible things when we put our minds to it. Still doubting the power of a tree? This clip will prove its strength. Even a modest-sized tree can still cause serious damage. Never underestimate the force of nature. Thinking about getting into milling? Do yourself a favor and check out the Frontiero S27. With a price tag of around $3,647, it's a fantastic entry-level sawmill that won't break the bank. Easy to learn on, reliable, and delivers great results. Before you invest in a massive industrial mill, start with the OS27 and see if milling is for you. You might be surprised at how much you can accomplish with this little workhorse. The PTH 1000 to 1000M Petzolato drum chipper is a top-tier solution for high-volume wood processing. Driven by a powerful Caterpillar C18 engine, it delivers an impressive 800 horsepower, ensuring efficient and reliable performance. With its robust construction and advanced features, this chipper is built to handle even the most challenging applications. Check this out. HSM Forest took their HSM 405H12 forwarder to the Austrian Alps and put on a show. This footage is incredible. Watch it scale those extreme slopes and grab logs with pinpoint precision. The grapple, BAM, a total game changer for tough terrain logging. Stumps got you stumped. Unleash the power of the fecund Stumps. This video is a visual symphony of grinding action, turning stubborn stumps into dust. Prepare to be amazed. Impressive, but risky. Let's think long-term. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about sustainability. Dividing the load into two trips reduces potential hazards and protects the equipment, ultimately saving time and resources. This is a textbook example of why proper felling techniques matter. Experience aside, it's a relief no one got hurt. That tree doesn't stand a chance against this beast of a machine. Talk about a wood chipper on steroids. But hey, that's just the circle of life, right? Out with the old, in with the new. Let's face it, nobody likes dealing with stumps. But with this tool, you might actually enjoy getting rid of them. It's that smooth. Watch the video and see how effortless it can be. This is a textbook case of misplaced confidence. They're severely underestimating the risks here. That rope could snap at any moment, and if it does, game over. The sheer lack of awareness is baffling. All right, guys, feast your eyes on this absolute unit, the John Deere 1110E. This thing is an absolute beast on slopes, but it comes with a beast of a price tag too. We're talking $350,000. Is it worth it? Now that's what I call a job well done. They made that stump vanish like magic, seamless, efficient, and oh so satisfying. Ah, the intricate world of logging. Notice the precision involved. Our lumberjack, unfazed by the elements, uses time-tested techniques to fell these giants, and the logistics a formidable challenge, expertly tackled by modern machinery, a true marvel of human ingenuity and adaptation. Ever driven a truck that makes you feel like the king of the road? That's the F16600. This thing has so much power it's almost ridiculous. I'm talking effortless overtaking. Hills, no problem. It's a dream to drive. I'm pretty sure there are things that just don't mix, like chainsaws and ladders, for example. Now this, my friends, is what I call a real workhorse. The BH-80X. Just chews through that tree like it's nothing. You see that? Smooth as butter. A close call on the ground ... That's tree removal, high stakes, high adrenaline, and never a dull moment. Debarking logs used to be back-breaking work, but the Meber SLH, a total game changer. This beast handles logs up to 1.2 meters thick, stripping bark with surgical precision. Adjustable heads ensure a perfect peel every time. Efficiency and elegance in one machine. Impressive. Check this out. This John Deere 1710D is getting the job done right. See how the operator handles that machine? Smooth as silk, no wasted energy. And those logs are moving like clockwork. Now that's what I call a well-oiled machine. Literally, they're getting the most out of every drop of fuel. Good for the bottom line, good for the environment, and let's be honest, who doesn't love the sound of a John Deere diesel? Wow, talk about an extreme work environment. Look at that snow. those logs must be incredibly slick. It's incredible to see the precision and skill these workers have to operate heavy machinery under such extreme conditions. Clearly, this is a job for highly experienced professionals. Imagine a lumberjack's dream, a machine that glides through hardwood with the grace of a ballet dancer, yet strikes with the power of a prizefighter. The Woodcracker CS610 is a masterpiece of strength and precision, transforming the brutal task of logging into an art form. This is where raw power meets flawless execution. This is why you back up and give the tree space. Because even when you think you've got it all figured out, nature has a way of smacking you upside the head. Lesson learned. Folks, feast your eyes on this. The John Deere 1110E dominating the winter woods. Effortless power, seamless control. This machine is a beauty. And with this operator at the helm, it's like poetry in motion. Logging has never looked this good. You know what's awesome? This Halverson HWP1 for OB firewood processor. Super tough, built to last, and the hydraulics, insanely powerful. It makes processing firewood an absolute breeze. Seriously, it's effortless. It turns a tough job into something truly enjoyable. Think about it: less time chopping wood, more time enjoying the fire. Rama, take the shot. Rama, take the shot. Rama, take the shot. Rama, take the shot. The right tool in the right hands makes all the difference. Take this M35A2 for instance. In skilled hands, it becomes an extension of the driver's will, a true testament to experience and expertise. The Peterson 5710C redefines high production grinding. Its Caterpillar C27 engine delivers an unmatched power-to-weight ratio with a 60 by 44 inch feet opening. It devours stumps, logs, and even asphalt shingles. Peterson's adaptive control system and impact release system optimize performance, protecting the machine for maximum uptime and efficiency. Now this takes me back. These hillbilly sawmills remind me of a time when things were built to last. You can see the pride in every cut, the dedication to quality. This is the craftsmanship that built America, and it's still going strong today. Respect. We all want to leave a better world for future generations, right? Well, the Rizitech 200 Takas lets you do just that. Every tree planted with this machine is a step towards a healthier planet. Feel good about your impact. Choose the TK200. See that, the Ursus C360, Polish engineering at its finest. It may look like a classic tractor, But under the hood, it's a beast. And the farmer, he's not just driving it, he's feeling it. Together, they form an unstoppable team, and the results speak for themselves. Behold a homemade mini chainsaw mill, resourceful, efficient, designed to maximize functionality while minimizing material usage. A brilliant solution for any DIY enthusiast. I'm already planning my build. Who's with me? Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you find the video interesting, give it a like and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next video on my channel. You know, I was thinking about making a salad. Then I saw this video. Suddenly, croutons seem a lot less exciting. These guys are living on the edge. Makes me want to climb a tree and just hug it. Hauling timber in the Alps is no joke. These guys are handling serious weight, steep grades, and hairpin turns that'll make your heart race. Respect. Hold on to your hats, folks. This chainsaw operator's got skills that'll blow your mind. I mean, I can barely cut a straight line through a loaf of bread, and this guy's out here carving wood like it's butter. Forget the sawmill, this guy's a one-man lumberjack show. Much respect for this level of talent. This is insane, the Carlton SP6016. It's going head-to-head with this monster pine stump. And it's not even breaking a sweat. The 54 horsepower Kubota engine is an absolute beast. And those green teeth, cutters are shredding through the wood like it's nothing. But the real kicker, the remote control, you can literally stand back and watch the carnage unfold. It's like a demolition derby but with trees. Now that's a man who knows his lumber. Look at him handle that saw. Smooth as silk, he's got the touch, the power, the confidence. This ain't no weekend warrior, folks. This is the real deal. Sometimes you need a crane that can do it all. Navigate tight spaces, handle heavy loads, and do it with precision. That's where the NOAA 170-4R comes in. Picture this. 15.5 tons of lifting power packed into a compact frame, just 5.73 meters long and 0.55 meters wide. And with the Epsilon crane, you're in total control, even in the trickiest situations. Plus, those 2.8L to 6.20 PR tires, they're like all-wheel drive for a crane, a real game changer for getting the job done right. The PTH 1200 820ths Hacker Truck is a high-capacity drum chipper, a beast built for efficiency, designed for heavy-duty applications. Key specifications include a 1,000 to 100 millimeter wide inlet, an 820 millimeter diameter drum, and a man for 180 horsepower diesel engine. This powerful setup enables a production rate exceeding 150 cubic meters of wood chips per hour. Utilizing the Cat 3 for 5BL for tree removal, optimizes both power and efficiency. Its 345 horsepower engine makes tough jobs easy. Its robust hydraulics allow for the swift removal of large trees, while the extended reach and powerful boom ensure precise felling even in confined spaces. This means increased productivity and minimized risk, making it a smart choice for any logging operation. Maximize your land clearing efficiency with this JCB excavator. Its 20-ton lifting power translates to impressive clearing potential, up to 3 hectares per day in optimal conditions. Even on challenging terrain, you can still clear at least 1 hectare a day. This machine is a strategic investment, boosting productivity and minimizing downtime on any large-scale project. But it can buy a Ponce Bear, which for a logger is pretty much the same thing. This machine laughs in the face of steep slopes. Precise crane, check. Efficient harvesting head, double check. 200,000? A small price to pay for forestry domination. This is gold, the perfect footage for my Dangerous Jobs series. The snowy backdrop, the icy roads, the raw power of the truck, visually stunning. Time to add some epic music. Wow, imagine battling these stubborn stumps. The frustration. But wait, here comes the cavalry. D&D Hatch Excavation to the rescue. Their excavator made it look easy. Those stumps didn't stand a chance. It's like a homesteader's dream come true. No more back-breaking labor, just pure stump pulling satisfaction. The 1796 water-powered sawmill in Balsfjord, northern Norway, offers a fascinating glimpse into early industrial engineering. Notice the seamless integration of the mill into the natural landscape, harnessing the river's power while minimizing environmental impact. This structure stands as a testament to the sustainable ingenuity of pre-industrial societies. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you find the video interesting, give it a like and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next video on my channel. I've seen too many guys get hurt by widowmakers. It's not something to take lightly. This guy, he's doing it right. No rushing. He's taking his time, always keeping an eye on that rope. He knows complacency kills. You've got to respect the tree, and you've got to respect the danger. That's how you make it home at the end of the day. Looks like just another tree cutting job, but something scary is about to happen. Keep watching to see for yourself. Oh yeah, wow. Luckily, the man was able to get out of the way. Check this out, they turned an ordinary excavator into a log-splitting beast. It's like something out of a monster truck rally, only instead of crushing cars, it's slicing through giant logs like butter. That splitter attachment is a total game changer. Who needs an axe when you've got hydraulic power? I know what you're thinking. How satisfying is this? All that would reduce to practically nothing. There's just something mesmerizing about raw power in action, isn't there? Let's talk about the Woodland Mills. WG for PTO stump grinder. This machine is a real workhorse. It features a massive 24-inch flywheel and 30 for ultra-tough teeth that can handle any stump, big or small. And get this, it grinds a full 6 inches below ground level. No more tripping hazards, no more regrowth. If you've got a tractor with 15 to 45 horsepower, this grinder is your new best friend. You know what's key in forestry? Reliability and efficiency. That's where the Komatsu 901XC shines. With its 8-wheel stability, with its powerful C93 head, this machine is built to perform. It's tough, it's comfortable, and it'll help you maximize your logging operation. This is a tense moment, a reminder that even the most experienced face unpredictable challenges. But hey, that's life in the woods, right? It's tough, it's unpredictable, but it's also undeniably captivating. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.